This real estate advantage property video is presented by Richard and Julia McMahon. This property, offered at $28,600 below assessment, is sold as is and presents a remarkable opportunity for creative renovation and investment. Spanning 18.5 acres, this rural sanctuary boasts picturesque views of woods, fields, and streams. Despite its weathered appearance, this property gleams with potential. Imagine crafting your dream home or creating an enchanting retreat amidst nature's beauty. The house features a solid foundation, ideal for restoration. Adjacent to the house, a rear barn and a barnboard barn across Wiltisie Creek await revitalization. With vision and effort, this property could transform into a captivating showcase within nature's beauty. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard and Julia McMahon at 716-485-3202.